Congratulations.
Oh, I'm out of breath. Hey everyone, how you doing? I've been spending a lot of my time on TikTok, Instagram, and TikTok. I find they are so much fun. You should pop over and check out my TikToks. I love the sound bites of the songs and the music, and it's just, I'm enjoying it. And today I'm going to show you how I got my nails to stay like this for over 10 days, and I have a lot of other things to show you. So let's begin. Okay, so I bought these aprons. One is a brown and white stripe, this is a black and white stripe. They come two to a pack, and they have a pocket right here, so you walk into the kitchen or the barbecue and you put your phone down in there. Then when your hands get wet or sticky, you have two terry cloth patches. Then you have this whole thing is waterproof, so it won't mess up your clothes, and it's adjustable. I really, really like this a lot. It's saved a lot of tops. I know my daughter bought me a top for my birthday, and I already ruined it barbecuing. And I said, okay, I'm buying some aprons. That's why. Let's see. I bought 4 Tretinoins at Reliable Pharmacy. I'll put the link down below. It's always on. The link is always underneath my videos. I keep it there all the time, and you can get these for dirt cheap. And believe me, they work. They are inexpensive, and they get here pretty fast. So this is the Tretinoin, 0.1%, and I get the gel. I find the gel covers more surface than the cream. It's like slippery, you know? Also, many months ago, I got this hydroquinone, and this is really good to fade away age spots and stuff like that. But I can't use it because the smell is just overwhelming for me. And then I picked this up, and this is what I found. Is that not weird? Look at the inside of the box. It leaked, and it burnt. It looks like it burnt through the box. Crazy. It's crazy. I can't use this. I can't use it because it smells so bad. It just like, ugh. So, this is my snack of the day. I only eat like 1 cup, but this is so delicious. Only the dill pickle one, not the lemon one, the dill pickle one. And also, when I have like a cup of vanilla ice cream or chocolate, I put some potato chips in it. Yep, I do. I do like that a lot. So, if you see this, Instacart has it, and Target and Walmart. Sometimes they don't have it, but it's tart, tangy, crispy, and mouth-watering. See what it says? This is my latest obsession. Okay. Also, my favorite foundation, they have discontinued. Well, they revamped it, let's put it that way. And it's not the same. It's not the same. I tried the new one, and the colors don't even coordinate. You can't like get the same color in the new version of it. Very disappointing, YSL. I had to go to eBay to get one. I am in the warm, this is warm beige, and this is warm caramel. Now, the warm beige was a little too light, so I used my NYX color adjusters. Well, NYX doesn't make that anymore, so Physicians Formula has the color adjusters. Fabulous. They don't change the integrity of the foundation. They just lighten it or darken it according to how much you put on. So, Goodbye. At least I found it on eBay. I hope it's real. This is pretty cool. I got this in Daiso. I don't know if you have a Daiso near you, but my Daiso is the cutest Daiso. And you see this little thing? It looks like a teddy bear with 3 prongs on it. Well, you stick this into a head of lettuce, into the core, and let me tell you, your lettuce lasts forever. I mean, for weeks. It lasts for a long, long time in the refrigerator. This thing is really cool, and it really works. There are 2 of them in here. I'll see if I can find them online. Okay, now I wanted to show you what I've been doing to my nails. My latest adventure in my nails was recommended to me by one of my granddaughters, Daniela, and she was using Beetles, B-E-E-T-L-E-S, not the group. Okay, so this is what you do. You buy a little LED UV lamp, plugs into USB. Okay, and you have a choice. They sell like 22 in a pack, and they have all different shades. I took the animal print. This was the animal print, and in fact the red is not even here. This is the name of the company. There's a matte, there's a base coat, and a top coat, and the rest are all the colors that I picked this grouping. So what you do is you put a thin layer on of the base coat. You put your hand in the lamp for 90 seconds. Then you put on a color that you want. 1 layer. Put your hand in the lamp for 90 seconds. Another coat of polish. Put your hand in the light for 90 seconds. And then you finish it off with the top coat. 1 thin layer. 90 seconds in the light. And your nails are done. This was $10 from Amazon, and it's great. And you could do your toes with it too, because it could just go on the floor. You could do your feet. And the colors I got was this red, which this is absolute my favorite red ever. It's A733, and I like the red, I like the pink, I like the blue, I like the mint. There was a lot of colors in here that I liked. I like the black and the white, and there's a lot of colors here. A couple are missing, they're downstairs, but I took the matte out so I don't get confused, because I haven't wanted to do the matte. Look at that, neon colors. And they've got nice creamy colors, and they have a glittery color, gold. Now, if you buy a color separately, it's about $6, $7. And then you could buy the top and the bottom coat, because you see, they're very small. But it gives you a chance to try a lot of colors that they have. This one is a pink. I thought it was going to be sheer, but it's not. It's a creamy pink. Then I bought also the gel base and top coat, which I'm keeping, even though I have the base and top coat. This is much bigger. See the difference? So when I run out of the small ones, I will have the duo right here. These are just all fun things, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep my polish on for more than 2 days. Even though my favorite polish of all time is Sally Hansen Insta Dry. I mean, I think I have every color there is imaginable. So that's it for today, and come by my TikTok and visit. I have a lot of things on TikTok. My mom's on, my kids are on it with me. I'm on it by myself. Very silly, very silly. But it's just fun. And also I'm on Instagram. So, and you know I'm here for you. If you need me, you can email me. And thank you, for being here for me. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you.